brief background on how it is you wound up at the University of New South Wales studying glutathione.
Oh, it started many years ago, around 20 years ago. I was at the time working for one of the leading global manufacturers of baker's yeast. And my job for 7 years while in that company was to investigate ways that we can create value-added products from baker's yeast. Baker's yeast is pretty well a commodity product. It's used to manufacturing bread and all those lovely baked goods that we like to buy from the local baker and the like, but it doesn't cost a lot of money. So the industry's on very tight margins, but it's full of good stuff. And so my job was to look into that and see what we could, extract out of baker's yeast. And one of those was glutathione. And so for many years I looked at the glutathione process, looking to see if I could optimize the fermentation. Of course, all glutathione supplements that you might buy in the market come from baker's yeast.